Right guys, it's the Great Western Railway service to Barnstable, 158 950. Lovely tunes there. Right guys, I'll update you when the next train is. Right guys, 158760 is heading out of Exeter St David's, heading off to Oakhampton. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is. Alright guys, here's class 158760. Alright guys, class 800. We're going into Exeter St David's. Alright guys, update when that train. Alright guys, it's the Plymouth train. 43158. Alright guys, 150266 coming out of Exeter St David. Heading for Painton. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is, which if you can see in the future. Alright guys, class 802 coming into Exeter St David's, sorry. I do a lot of train videos in Bristol Temple Mead, so that's why. Oh, and 802, 800, 808, 028 is leaving. Sorry about that. Get us some speed. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train. Alright guys, here's a 166, 212 specifically. Heading for Exeter Central. Alright guys, 166, we are at Exeter St David's. I'll update you guys when it goes. Alright guys, cross country service, Liver 20208. Heading out to Plymouth, next stop, Newton Abbot. I'll update you guys when the next train is. Alright guys, class 150 coming in. Into Exeter St David. There's also a class 800 leaving. I hope you guys can see. I definitely can't. Alright guys, this train is actually coming in, not coming out. And actually a 43,192 coming in. St Moore's Castle 43094. Right guys, I'll update you when it leaves. Right guys, class 43 cross country service to Plymouth 43303. It's starting to get quite dark, so they probably can't really see me. Very crowded service today. Alright guys, I'll update you guys when it goes. Alright guys. The class 800 heading out. 802,021. He broke down, so he's a bit late. You know, it is what it is. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is, which you can probably see. It's there. Alright guys, 43194, departing from Exeter St David's, heading for Plymouth. Wow guys. Four, 43194. Some great tunes there. That was amazing guys. I'll update you when the next train is. Alright guys, class 800 coming into Exeter St David's. Alright guys, been waiting up there for about 10 minutes. Let's come back in now. 800 306 is at the back. Alright guys, here's Great Western Railway 158. Specifically 158239. Coming to Exeter St David's. It is a 4-carriage. Quite a quiet service today.
We are sorry to announce that 11:38.
Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is. Alright guys. Cross country 221. Heading from Birmingham New Street. Only a 4-carriager though, this time. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is. Alright guys, the class 166 heading for Barnstable. here at Exeter St David's. It's a pretty empty carriages. Alright guys, I'll update when the next train is. Alright guys, Great Western Railway service to Plymouth is leaving. I think it's empty. It's going back to the store. Going back to storage. It is industrial action today, so there is a high likelihood of trains being cancelled, etc. Alright guys, I'll update you when the next train is. Alright guys, 166212 is heading our way. So hold that. Alright guys, heading off to Barnstable in Devon. I'll update you guys when the next train arrives or leaves. Alright guys, 159 coming in here, heading for Holton. South Western Railway. Alright guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you are new. And I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.